Hey everyone, this is Joe from Smoking Joe's Barbecue. Today we're going to do a collaboration cook with 11 of my YouTube friends. We're all going to be doing a pork chop, our take on a pork chop on different ways we're going to do them. And I'm going to give you the guys' names that are going to be involved with me doing this cook. It's Bottle Cap Barbecue, Josh and Babe, CJ's Barbecue, The Road to Good Cooking, Tom Hennerman, 1984 Barbecue, Cooking with James, Chicken Fried Barbecue, Daddy Dutch Barbecue and Cooking, Roundhouse Ranch Barbecue, and Smoking King Barbecue Tips. Folks, these guys are all great cooks. They got great channels. You need to check them out. We comment on each other's cooking all the time. We're all pretty good friends. I wish we lived a lot closer to each other. But you need to check these guys out. They're excellent. And I'm going to show a link of all their channels and show more. And you need to click on the link and check their channel out. And the next time you see me, we'll be out on the grill getting my take on my pork chop. I'm going to be smoking my pork chop. So I'll catch you out on the smoker in just a few minutes. Hey everyone, we're back. I got some pork loin chops that I had cut by the butcher out in one of our supermarkets. And they're about 1 inch thick. And I'm going to brine these for about 2 hours so that they get nice and tender. So I'll show you what I brine them in. I'll put these in a baggie here. We're going to use a full can of pineapple juice. You can use anything you want to. You know, you can use apple juice, pineapple juice, whatever you want. Okay, we're going to use maybe about a half a cup of brown sugar. And we're going to use some kosher salt. Not a whole lot. That'd be good. Okay. We're going to mix this all in there and get it all happy. Hang on a second here. Get that all incorporated all over your meat. And what we'll do is, once we get this marinated, we're going to put them on. We'll come back and after 2 hours, and we'll show you the rub we put on them. And then we'll be ready for the smoker. So see you in a few. Okay, folks, we're back. I took our pork chops out of the marinade that we had marinated them in for about 2.5 hours, and we're going to put some Killer Hogs barbecue rub on them. This is awesome stuff. It's really great on pork chops. So we'll start seasoning them here. This gets really good color on these pork chops. This gives it a really pretty color. These are going to be really, really good smoked. Can't wait to eat them. Look at that tenderloin right there. That's going to be a nice little piece. You can be generous with these. They're about 1 inch thick, so you can be pretty generous with the rub on these. And his rub is just outstanding. You guys got to try it. I also use It's Incredible products, but I switch back and forth with Malcolm Reed's barbecue rub because it's just awesome. I mean, I put them on pork, ribs, everything. It's awesome. Okay, I tell you what. I'll meet you out in the smoker in just a second. Talk to you in a minute. Okay, folks, we're back out of the smoker. I'm going to put our pork chops on right now. Get them smoking. And today, we're going to use cherry wood for our wood. It leaves a nice mild flavor to the pork. And we're going to be cooking these around 250. And for about 90 minutes, maybe a little longer, 2 hours, depends on, the temperature. I'm going to cook them to about 140 and let them rest and get up to the temperature of 145. And they should be awesome. So I'll tell you what, we'll check back with you a little bit when we finish these up. Catch you in a minute. Okay, folks, we're back out here to smoker. My pork chops are done here. We're going to take these off and come inside and we'll taste test these, okay? So we'll see you in a few minutes. I know they look good. Take a look at that. See you in a few. Hey, folks, I just want to tell you today we did smoke with the Weber Smoky Mountain Smoker, and we used charcoal and cherry wood to do our cook, and we also used our minion method, which you get a real slow cook out of your charcoal and your wood. Oh, okay, folks, we just pulled our pork chops off our smoker, and this is what we came up with. Beautiful color. And let's do a recap today on what we did. I brined these things for about two and a half hours with pineapple juice, brown sugar, and kosher salt. And I cooked them with cherry wood on 250. And let's just give a little taste test this thing. I've been dying to taste what it tastes like. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And it's absolutely cooked to perfection. Let's do a little bite of this. Wow, it's like butter. Look at that little bit of fat off. I'll leave that. I'm not that big. My wife tells me it is, but it's not. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could have a bite of that and smell that. Oh my gosh. That is so tender, you can't believe it. That marination made it. I tell you what, I think if I didn't marinate these, they would have been dried out. The marination made them, and I could taste a little hint of the pineapple in it. It's just, that rub is just outstanding. You all got to get that rub. Okay, I want to give a shout out to my fellow YouTubers that I'm in a collaboration cook with today. Please check their channel. These guys are great cooks. I really like them. They're my good friends. And I'll have a link below under Show More. And you click on the link, and I'll give you their channel. And that's all I got for you today, guys. But I just want you to please give me the thumbs up if you like this video. And I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. And there's a notification bell for my new uploads. You can click on that. And I tell you one thing, guys. I really appreciate y'all. And if you ain't grilling, you ain't a chillin'. God bless you, everybody, and have a great day. See ya.